Hey friends, you're watching BrainStorm Acres, and it's been a heck of a day. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
What'd you find this morning, Irene?
Well, first thing I found, I was doing a little tour of the garden for you guys, and that'll be up in a day or so. But I was running bed to bed, checking everything out, talking about irrigation, while we were going. And I got over to the leek bed, and about 50% of the leeks, the tops are chopped off, nice and neat. Just about an inch or so off the ground, and then there was one that was actually pulled out, and I was like, okay, so I replanted the one that was pulled out because it still had its roots. So, and I was blaming a squirrel because I've seen them do that sort of stuff before.
Not a chance.
No, when I looked at it closely later, I'm like, oh, silly person, that's not a squirrel.
So at the very beginning of this show, you saw what remains of our cabbage.
Well, fortunately, there's 2 buckets of cabbage, and they only got 2 out of 6 so far.
Yeah, but they
so far, you'll notice I said
they're back.
They're back, yes. Bambi's back.
So I spent some time, found a relatively local source for T-posts so we can put in the second fence.
Right.
We're getting ready to take a run to go buy T-posts and some high tensile wire for a charger.
Yep.
And we're going to see if we can keep these things out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is going to be it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe because...
Oh, we'll be doing lots. I mean, I recorded like a video and another video, and yeah, we got all kinds of stuff going on.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye.